Hey guys, it's Tony. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Gigistone 128GB micro SD card. This is a card that is made for 4K video, so it is a class 10. This particular card comes in a 2-pack. It's a 128GB. It comes with 2 of them, and I got them for use in my drone. So I've got a DJI drone. It's got a slot for a micro SD card. I wanted to have something that would be fast enough to be able to handle 4K video, but not to be as expensive as you might find with some other brands that are out there. So I went through, found the reviews on this. It looked like it would be a good buy. So I went ahead and got it. And I gotta say, it works very, very well. I'm very, very happy with its performance. Now, keep in mind, I have not been using it very long. I got it about 2 weeks ago, but so far, formatting it was simple and easy, straightforward, no problems, and size and fit work really well. It goes in my drone, as you can see here, and then the second one I put in my controller for a couple of purposes. One, if I want to do screenshots of what I'm looking at on the controller, if I want to save photos, it gets saved there locally on this SD card, and it also serves as a backup for my drone. So that's the reason why I feel like this particular 2-pack is a great buy, is because you can actually get 2 128GB cards and have a backup that stores in your controller if you're using this in the application like I am with a drone. So again, I store this here in my controller, goes right in this slot here, goes right there, and I can close the cover and boom. I can do backups on here. I can do firmware for the controller and save those files to the SD card, but I've also got a spare. So if I'm out in the field and I'm flying my drone, I don't have to worry so much about running out of space. So overall, I've been very, very satisfied with this, with these SD cards, and I recommend them highly. So I hope you found this review to be helpful, and until next time, we'll see you on the next one.